This is Team 12, the Apex Power Lift, to address the safety concern of a lift stopping suddenly in the event of power failure. Implementing an emergency power button can be added to a safety layer. Designing the emergency power button automatically brings the lift to the nearest floor and opens the doors when activated. Passengers are safely exited from the lift when there is an event power failure.
Here are some existing solutions to our project like backup power systems, emergency communication systems and building evacuation plans. So in backup power systems, some elevators are equipped with backup power generators or batteries to allow them to operate temporarily during power outages. So ensuring passengers can reach to the nearest floor safely. And in emergency communication systems, many elevators are equipped with emergency communication devices such as intercoms or emergency phones. Gaps in existing solutions are limited battery capacity. Many backup systems rely on batteries which may have limited capacity and runtime, especially in prolonged power outages and maintenance requirements. So backup systems require regular maintenance to ensure they function properly during emergencies, and its cost is more. Initially, installing it and maintaining backup power systems can be more costly, and its complexity and compatibility. Some backup systems are complex to install and integrate with existing elevator systems, requiring specialized knowledge for installation and maintenance.
So we are using hardware components, Cmrcet Ceer stepper motor. It is used to bring the lift up to the first floor and ground floor, and L298N motor driver to control the stepper motor, and 12 volts DC battery for emergency power supply, and 12 volts adapter for the main power supply, and LEDs to detect the passenger in the lift to the main power supply is on, and push buttons to move the lift upwards, downwards, and in the case of emergency, and aluminum U-tube for the output of the lift cabin.
So here how it works. First our Apex power lift will work as a normal lift. Then when the power supply is cut off, then there will be a sound from the buzzer that indicates there is a power cut in the lift. So by switching on the emergency button supply, the lift will go to the adjacent floor. The passengers can safely exit the elevator with it reaching the nearest floor.
The advantages and disadvantages of this Apex power lift car. Advantages are efficiency and vertical transportation. You can provide the user a vertical transportation from one floor to the other, and it's time saving so that the time will be saved to climb the stairs. Convenience, it is very convenient to use, and it is very easy to use, user friendly. Safety and accessibility. It is very safe to use because it won't crumble in between, and the space optimism is very less because it is instead of once. The disadvantages are its costly installation. The initial price of this Apex power lift is very high, so due to solar panels, and promotes power dependency. The power dependency is it depends on high voltages, so storing of the data and destoring of the data is so less. Like coming to the working of the Apex power lift, so it functions as a normal lift, and it will be used in additional voltage to get to the adjacent floor. Now we will see the movement of the lift from one floor from the other. So it is moving to the first floor. So it will be stopping at the same place as the distance. So it's been stopped. So now the passenger might get down or get in. So again, the only option is having is to go to the ground floor. So we will go press the ground button, it will be going to the ground. So once it reaches the ground floor, it halts. Now, coming for the functionality of the Apex power lift. Now, we will stop the lift in between so that you can know it. I have cut it off the voltage over there, so it's been halted. So the lift is nearer to the ground floor. So the lift will be directed towards the ground floor as I'm on the emergency switch. Now, when you on the emergency switch, you will be given an option which floor you want it to go. Either it's down or up. So it is near to the ground floor, so I will press the ground button. So as you can see, it's reaching the ground and it's halted. So this is how the Apex power lift works. Thank you.